Hi guys, welcome to Birmingham Boiler Fix. I've been asked to have a look at this Vaillant. There's no hot water heating, and all it does is when you open the taps, the screen goes blank. So we're going to diagnose this and we're going to repair this, and I'll be sharing that with you in this video. Now I've had this problem a few times in the past. All it is, the circuit board capacitor isn't holding enough power to start the fan off. So that's why it goes into that. The display goes on and off. So we're going to be changing the circuit board on this. Okay. Don't worry, your boiler inshallah will be working today. I got even the fan I brought you with me anyway, just in case.
Juma tomorrow, my God.
Hoi, hoi, hoi. That and that goes here.
I'll go and text my books.
That goes there. This goes here. This goes here, and we'll come back to that. Right now, let's get on with it. Oh, don't forget this Mubasha. Put it. Simba. Right. Oops. Don't forget that. That's an extra. We don't need that. Right. Let's see what happens now. Oh no. I gotta put the DNS codes in now. Damn. So what we're doing is code 17 first. After that, once that's in, then code 17. So then you got DNS. Use the plus minus to D93. No. So one is D93. Got that. Then you press. Good. You should see the table for DSN setting. Right, for the table, for that, which one's ours? And this one is ecoTEC Pro 24. ecoTEC Pro 24, Pro. Okay. Let me just, you can pause it now. So I'll put the DNS in here, the DNS setting. Let's try the hot water now. Give me a minute. So the temperatures. Okay. As the temperature is going up and the hot water is steam. No. That's good.
You're losing the builds, bro. Yo, your camera's so sick, man.
The wiring. Okay. That's sorted, everything's sorted, yeah. So let's put this in. Right, that's sorted. Come on, man. Keep on making me. Right guys, it's all sorted now. The board had to be changed. Unfortunately, it didn't have enough power in it to pump up to start the fan. So we had to change the circuit board on it. So anyway, if your board is broken down, give us a call. Birmingham boiler fix. Guys, I've just done I'm really wrapped up, right? It's really cold in the house. So I've sorted the Vaillant out for them. And it's all working fine. And my uncle wants to give me a review. A big thumbs up.
Beautiful, kept me warm now. I was cold like something, freezing all day. He sorted it out. Everything is running fine now. Thanks very much to him.
Thank you. I've known him for about 20 years now. I was a little kid and he was repairing my cars. Thank you, uncle.